Set off on a relaxing getaway in a vacation home with a first-class dining area setup. Enjoy the elegant lighting at the dining area with the very modern LED ring circle chandelier. The connected living and dining areas are positioned in a manner that allows easy flow between both spaces. In this home, at South Beach Residences, we've made a stunning first impression with a bright and gorgeous entryway to beautify the experience coming into the space. In all bedrooms, we've added hanging bedside lights from the ceiling, as it is a great aesthetic that frees up space from the ground. Upgrade your cozy escapes with a polished, modern aesthetic at the same time, luxurious bedroom to feel the most cozying up in this vacation home space. Swapping out the mainstream boring wall at the bedhead, we've designed different wall sculpture designs for the wall of each bedroom. Bringing extended personality to the space.